Hey everyone! If you've accidentally deleted your TikTok messages, there are a few things you can try to recover them. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. Open TikTok and tap on your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Account. Open Download Your Data. Tap Request Data. Select Messages. Make sure to deselect all the other options so your downloaded file only contains your messages. Now select the file format as TXT. Submit your request and wait for TikTok to prepare your data. Once it's ready, open the Download Data section. Download the file and check whether your deleted messages are included. If they aren't there, unfortunately TikTok doesn't provide another official way to recover permanently deleted messages. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.